Meet you, sir.
Okay, my name is Uche Nade. I'm the national chairman of Action People's Party, APP.
All right, sir. We've come today to see that this particular facility was attacked yesterday night. Um, what do you have to say about this?
It's really a sad day for democracy. We condemn it in its strongest term, the act of bombing our River State chapter secretariat. It is a heinous act. It is an act of terrorism. It is a treasonable act. We thank God Almighty, who even spared the lives of our members. Immediately they left after a strategic meeting in the dead of the night. This heinous act was carried out. God spared the lives of our members, that we did not lose anyone yesterday to these criminal elements. We are all aware of what is happening in River State, that it is all about seizing the treasury of River State. We know this is not the first time this act of terrorism is happening. We have had incidents of bombing before. We are calling upon Mr. President, the heads of security agencies, to go after these criminal elements whose interest is to instill fear, instill violence in River State. We as a party, we are not deterred. We are sure that they are getting the signal of Rivers people joining our party in preparation for the forthcoming local government election. And they want to undermine this good policy of the amiable governor of Rivers State, who wants to conduct local government election. These people at first, they said that conduct local government election. The governor set plans in place to conduct local government election. We know how they have been shopping for one order or the other in all the course in the federation, trying to stop the local government forthcoming election. They have seen that they are not able to achieve that. They have resorted to violence. They want to stop the process and the good policies of the governor at all costs. But I'm sure the good people of Rivers State know that the intention of the governor is for the welfare and the well-being of the populace. So we condemn this act. We call upon Mr. President, we call upon the heads of security agencies to go after these people who are behind this criminality. Fish them out, let them face the music. Let them face the long arm of the law. We also call upon our members and supporters in Rivers State to rally around the party. Let them not be deterred. I know that our state chairman is here, who is a strong political force, and by his presence and his personality, the people of Rivers State, we know that Action People's Party is a party to beat in the forthcoming election. Their aim is to deter us, but I know that our people will not give up.
Just that as civilized people, we try not to be violent. But if anybody, those who have done this have thought that this will deter us, unfortunately, it has given us more resolve to go on to do what we're supposed to do, because it's a clear indication of defeat on their side. It's a clear indication that we are doing the right thing, and we will not be deterred in any form at all. This barbaric act, these uncivilized act of people who think that they are reservoirs of violence, who think that they are reservoirs of knowledge, who think that River State must cateau whatever they want or whatever they interact. We have come to change the narrative. And whether anybody likes it or not, one thing that is constant in life is change. One thing that is constant in life is change. But the beauty of it is that the people are against them. The time is against them. Most importantly, God is against them.
All right, sir. Can you a word to your followers, please, and your supporters of the party?
We've been here since last night. We are still here. What the unique thing about leadership is that you don't tell your people to go, you go with them. Even get there before them. And we are here. So our supporters are not in any way deterred. The truth of the matter is that PDP is emptied into APP. They're totally empty. And the earlier they understand that, the better for them. We are not deterred in any way. We are not deterred in any way. We're only asking that the governor of Rivers State, he's been doing well, and he swore an oath to uphold the laws of this land, to defend life and property, and he's doing that. We'll ask him to ensure and call on the security apparatus to do the needful. Let me also use this opportunity to thank the Commissioner of Police in Rivers State for his prompt response of coming here to see things for himself. He's a booster to some of us. We believe that he's going to do the needful, and that the perpetrators of this crime will be brought to book.
Are you okay?
May we